Every woman wants beautiful brows, so we tweeze, we thread, and we rip. Now there's Flawless Brows, the new gold standard and first precision hair remover that instantly and painlessly sweeps away unwanted hair. Hold it like a pencil, use it like an eraser. Because inside Flawless Brows precision hair removal tip is the finest German-engineered technology that erases unwanted hair with micro-precision. Perfectly balanced for perfect control between the brows, above, below, even toward the hairline.
I have very sensitive skin, so Flawless Brows is perfect for me because it's so gentle and it's so precise. It's not going to take more hair than I'm targeting.
It's hypo-allergenic and gentle on all skin types.
This was just so easy, so painless. It just erases the hair away.
Flawless Brows is the fastest, easiest, pain-free way to have beautiful brows every day, guaranteed. A built-in LED light makes it easy to see and erase unwanted hair. Discreet and portable, so you can use it anytime, anywhere.
Perfect.
Dermatologist approved. Flawless Brows is precision hair removal that's gentle and safe to the touch.